Is your Dell 7710M 7710 showing its age, struggling with connectivity? Well, this little piece of hardware, the LSC553P motherboard with its integrated USB audio and SD card reader, might just be the lifeline your workstation needs. It's not just a replacement part, it's a potential performance booster, promising to bring back that essential functionality that often gets overlooked until it's gone. The inclusion of both USB audio and an SD card reader directly on the motherboard is a significant convenience. For anyone who works with media, photography, or even just needs reliable audio output without fumbling for dongles, this is a huge plus. It streamlines the setup and reduces the number of external peripherals required, which is always a win for a cleaner workspace. Installation, as with any motherboard replacement, requires a certain level of technical comfort. However, for those familiar with laptop internals, the process is straightforward. The part number 0GMNG8 or GMNG8 is crucial for ensuring compatibility, and it's reassuring to see that this board is designed specifically for the 7710M 7710 series. This means you're getting a part that's meant to fit and function seamlessly within the existing chassis and with the original components. Performance-wise, the integrated USB audio should offer a clean and stable sound output, suitable for everyday tasks, video calls, and even some light audio editing. The SD card reader is also a welcome addition, providing quick and easy access to your media files, which is essential for photographers and videographers on the go. While it's not going to replace a dedicated high-speed card reader for professional workflows, for general use, it's perfectly adequate and incredibly convenient. This motherboard isn't about groundbreaking new features, but rather about restoring and enhancing the core functionality of a capable workstation. It's a practical upgrade that addresses common pain points, making the Dell 7710M 7710 a more versatile and user-friendly machine. If you're experiencing issues with your current audio or card reader, or simply want to consolidate your connections, this LSC553P motherboard is a solid choice. It's a testament to how a well-designed motherboard can breathe new life into existing hardware. In summary, the Dell 7710M 7710 LSC553P motherboard is a highly functional and convenient upgrade, bringing essential USB audio and SD card reading capabilities directly to your workstation. It's a practical solution for enhancing connectivity and restoring vital features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.